Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a WeTransfer transfer link in 2026. If you want to share files with anyone using a simple download link instead of sending them by email, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. First, open your web browser and visit the official WeTransfer website. If you have a WeTransfer account, sign in to access your dashboard. You can also use the free version to create transfer links within the available file size limit. Once you're on the upload page, click the *add files * button and select the files or folders you want to share. Wait a few moments while WeTransfer prepares your files for upload. Next, instead of entering a recipient's email address, select the *get a link * or create transfer link * option. This tells WeTransfer that you want to generate a shareable download link rather than sending the files directly by email. After selecting the link option, click the * transfer * button. WeTransfer will upload your files to its servers. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this process may take a few minutes. When the upload is complete, WeTransfer will generate a unique download link. Click the * copy link * button, then paste the link into an email, messaging app, social media platform, or anywhere else you want to share it. Anyone with the link can access and download the files until the transfer expires. If the upload fails or the link isn't created, check your internet connection, update your browser, and make sure your files are within your account's upload limit. If the problem continues, refresh the page and try again. And that's how you can create a WeTransfer transfer link in 2026.